21 Facts You Didn't Know About Ireland. 1. Ireland is known as the Emerald Isle because of its lush greenery and rolling hills. 2. The country is divided into two parts, the Republic of Ireland, which is an independent nation, and Northern Ireland, which is part of the United Kingdom. 3. The Irish harp, not the shamrock, is the official symbol of Ireland. It appears on Irish euro coins and official government documents. 4. The Titanic, the ill-fated ocean liner, was built in Belfast, Northern Ireland. 5. Ireland was one of the last countries in Europe to become inhabited. Human settlement dates back to around 6000 BC. 6. The Giant's Causeway, located in County Antrim, Northern Ireland, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site famous for its polygonal columns of layered basalt, resulting from a volcanic eruption. 7. Halloween traces its origins back to the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, which was celebrated in Ireland over 2,000 years ago. 8. The Irish population still has not bounced back to its pre-famine level. Before the Great Famine of the mid-19th century, the population was over 8 million. Today, it's around 6.6 million, combining the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. 9. The Cliffs of Moher are one of Ireland's most visited natural attractions, offering stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. 10. Irish, or Gaelic, is the first official language of the Republic of Ireland, with English being the second. 11. The Book of Kells, a masterpiece of medieval art, is housed at Trinity College, Dublin. It's a richly decorated copy of the four Gospels of the New Testament. 12. St. Patrick, Ireland's patron saint, was not Irish by birth. He was born in Britain, captured by Irish pirates, and brought to Ireland as a slave. 13. The concept of boycotting comes from Ireland. Captain Charles Boycott, an English land agent, was socially ostracized by his local community in Mayo during the Irish Land War, leading to the term boycott. 14. Newgrange, a prehistoric monument in County Meath, is older than Stonehenge and the Great Pyramids of Giza. It was built about 3200 BC. 15. Ireland has won the Eurovision Song Contest a record 7 times, more than any other country. 16. The River Shannon is the longest river in Ireland, flowing through or by 11 counties in its 224-mile 360 kilometers journey. 17. The phrase "the luck of the Irish" originated during the gold and silver rush years in the United States and was associated with successful miners of Irish or Irish American birth. 18. Ireland has a rich tradition of literary contributions with 4 Nobel laureates in literature: W.B. Yeats, George Bernard Shaw, Samuel Beckett, and Seamus Heaney. 19. The Irish coffee was invented in Ireland, designed to warm up American tourists on a cold winter night with the added bonus of Irish whiskey. 20. The oldest pub in Ireland, and possibly the world, is Sean's Bar in Athlone. It has been dated to 900 AD. 21. Ireland is the only country in the world to have a musical instrument, the harp, as its national symbol.